Calling is an integral part of your sales process. We know that, so we made sure that making sales calls from our CRM is as easy and admin-free as possible. With our updated Click-to-Call functionality, you can now select the calling method that suits your sales process best, and then make calls straight from the app. The moment you click on a phone number associated with the contact, we automatically launch your preferred VoIP app, so you can hop on the call right away. You can configure your call settings on the Apps and Integrations page. Here you can choose the call handler that best suits your sales process. Tel is the default protocol used in the majority of cases, as it offers the widest variety of calling options. If selected, your calling method will be determined by your browser. For example, Google Chrome may open Skype by default, while Mozilla Firefox will offer you a choice of any recognized apps installed on your device. If you have a certain preference, you can select one of the other dedicated handlers, like Skype, FaceTime for all you Mac users, Call2, SIP services, or Custom, where you'll need to enter a precise syntax for your preferred handler. And as always, all your calls are safely logged in OnePageCRM, and you have the option to add notes before saving its results. So that's it. No more hopping between your CRM and your calling app. You focus on closing, we'll take care of dialing.